Hi, friends. Welcome to Zen Kids Adventures, where we explore stories that help us feel calm, strong, and connected. Today's adventure is called The Spirit of Togetherness. Have you ever thought about what it means to be part of a community? In this story, we'll explore how mindfulness can help us appreciate the people and traditions that make us who we are. Before we begin, let's take a deep breath in and out. If you want, close your eyes as we step into a warm, welcoming space. Are you ready? Let's begin. Imagine yourself in a cozy room filled with the smell of sweet spices and the soft glow of candles. In the center of the room stands a kinara, a special candle holder with 7 candles, each representing an important value. Sitting nearby is the storyteller, a wise and gentle guide with a warm smile. The storyteller waves you over to sit by the kinara. Welcome, little one. These candles remind us of the values that bring us together as a community, like unity, gratitude, and celebrating our heritage. Would you like to learn how mindfulness helps us honor these values? You nod eagerly, curious to learn more. The storyteller lights the first candle and watches the flame dance gently. Unity means coming together as one, like the flame of this candle. Let's practice feeling united with those around us. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine everyone in your family, friends, or community sitting together, connected by a circle of light. You close your eyes and picture the circle of light connecting you with the people you care about, feeling its warmth. The storyteller says, "Good." When we take a moment to feel connected, we remember that we are never alone. The storyteller lights the second candle, its glow reflecting on the walls. Gratitude means appreciating the traditions and stories that make us who we are. Close your eyes and think of a tradition you love, something that brings your family or community together. Imagine the feeling of joy it gives you. You close your eyes and picture a favorite tradition, feeling warmth and gratitude for the people who passed it down to you. Beautiful. Gratitude helps us honor the past while celebrating the present. The storyteller lights another candle and the room grows brighter. Community gives us strength. Let's practice sending kindness to our community. Close your eyes and imagine a light growing in your chest, warm and steady. Now picture that light spreading out, touching everyone in your community and filling them with hope. You close your eyes and picture the light spreading far and wide, bringing comfort and joy to others. Wonderful. When we share kindness, we help our community grow strong and connected. The storyteller smiles as they look at the glowing kinara. These candles remind us that unity, gratitude, and community make us strong. When we take time to reflect and connect, we honor the people and traditions that shape us. You smile back, feeling calm and connected as the warm glow of the candles fills the room. Now go and grow, little one. Be mindful, share kindness, and carry the spirit of togetherness with you wherever you go. As you leave the room, the soft light of the Kanara stays with you, a reminder of the strength and warmth of community. Thank you for joining us on today's adventure with the spirit of togetherness. This week, take a moment to feel connected to your family, friends, or community. Let the spirit of unity and gratitude remind you of the people and traditions that make you strong. Until next time, may you be happy, may you be safe, and may you feel loved.